Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of PnFGaming. And last time we finished the chapter 2 of episode 3, which might not make sense to some of you, but basically we finished through the second part of episode 3 where we played as Freddy and Co in like a flashback sequence where we had to beat up a bunch of time shards and get a bunch of money. Actually, that's the other way around. We had to get money and then we had to beat up some shards. But you know, after we did that, it was revealed that, well, after that we fought against a phantom streamer, and then after that the flashback was over. But you know, during said flashback, apparently Yukari was like planning something. I'm not sure what she was planning, but you know, she was definitely planning something. And then now, after the flashback ended, Cirno appeared out of nowhere and followed like the TNGAU crew and the Freddy fuckboy crew. Now we're flashbacking again to after episode 2 ended with Team 9. So yeah, there you go. So let's. And this is where we left off last time.
Granted, we got our ass handed to us, but still, it was fucking amazing. Well, we did land at it, so I guess it wasn't all that bad.
Yes, that's right. Episode 2 also canonically takes place before episode 1. So yeah, we still beat the shit out of of Team 9.
But all that matters is that we had fun in the end, right, fellas? Through the power of darkness.
Yeah.
You said it, Bob. I really wouldn't call getting your ass kicked fun, but at least I'd get to hang out with Cirno again. Cirno? Huh? What? You okay there, bub? You look like you're having fucking Monday blues there. I'm perfectly fine. You sure don't look like it. No, I'm fine. Really.
This is like that meme with that dog that's burning, and it's like, this is fine.
There's somewhere I need to go. So, you girls hang around here for a while. I'll be back shortly. What the hell was that all about?
I don't know, Miss Dia.
No idea. Cirno's been acting pretty weird ever since she got her ass headed to her by Reimu. Is that so?
Yay, she said the line again.
I'll be honest with you guys. I'm actually legit worried about her. She'll be fine. Knowing her, she'll eventually bounce back to her usual self in no time.
I hope you're right about that.
I sure hope so.
Oh jeez, I'm diocing now. Okay, it's literally true what I said last time, that I become the protagonist of whatever whatever episode I'm playing. Okay.
Someday. I don't know when, but...
Alright, I'm back. I just had to go do something real quick. Kinda like what Cirno did. But I'm back.
Someday. I will kick your fucking ass. Reimu fucking Hikore.
Someday. It will happen. Probably not today though. God, I can't... Okay, there you go. That's gonna be as perfect as a... That's gonna be... That's it.
I'm coming for you, Yukari. You dirty piece of fucking shit.
Oh, damn.
What the fuck?
How many enemies here? 10, okay. It wasn't perfect, there was 9. But okay. File 65. Nope. Ah, yes, that's right. During The chase into the gap portal. This happened.
What in the fucking fuck is this shit?
I even made a comment about how many times Cirno said fuck.
Did. Reimu went through this thing. No time to ponder about it now. I need to go after her. This is my chance to get a fucking rematch.
Okay. Whoops. Okay. You don't get to hear the voice line there, but she said, "What in the hell is that shit?"
Anyway, Reimu should be around here somewhere. Guess I better start looking.
Did you go in by yourself? Also, oh my god, we have Tenchi's blessing. I was wondering about that, like, because we got her blessing at the end of the last one. That's pretty cool. That's like the Cranky's blessing. Alright, but also you went in by yourself, Cirno? Come on. You didn't get your homies to come along with you. And you're here in Yukari's Gap place. Okay, there's...
Another one of these weird-ass portals.
Yeah.
Reimu must have went through here. I don't know where this leads, but I need to go through if I need to fight her again.
You need your homies. Please, Cirno. Please.
Well, here goes fucking nothing.
Alright, fine. Just go in by yourself, I guess.
Oh, silly me. I forgot to close this one.
Yukari, you... Year 1990X. 199X. Question mark, question mark, question mark?
Fuck. My ass. God, why the hell do I have to fucking fall down?
That's called gravity. Oh, we're here!
What is this place? Anyways, gotta find Reimu. Hopefully she's not too far ahead.
We can't go into the building. What is this music? This is, we're back in Cotton City again. Where's... What is... Alright then. This music is kind of creeping me out. I don't know. It just gives me that vibe. We're gonna trudge through the city again. Who the hell uses the word trudge? Like, seriously. Well, I do, apparently. I have a feeling something's gonna happen. I'm gonna save. I mean, I am pretty strong, even at level 1. I have all my stat boosts from episode 2. And, I have Tenchi's blessing, which I didn't have before. Plus Roko's frog. Ah yeah, that's right. This place. And now we're at this part, Cotton City again. Cirno, you probably don't know what this is.
This contraption. I get a feeling that it's going to be useful later on.
You just have the stinking suspicion, huh, Cirno? Nope. There's nowhere else to go from here, right? Except down, so I don't think this is the right way, so... Nah. We're going to the right, I guess.
Where could she be?
I'm guessing she's like at the far end of the... of Cotton City. Her and the gang. But I can't be too sure. Alright, since I literally played this like a few days ago, I should know where...
It's hard to search in a place like this.
I should know where like all the like spots are to go to the next area.
Perhaps I can ask some locals who had probably seen her. I can start with that tall building on the far right side.
The Ghostbusters? Currently open.
Ghostbusters. I don't know who these fuckers are, but they might know where Reimu is.
Oh, are we actually gonna meet the Ghostbusters?
Here goes.
Uh-oh. We are.
Setting up headquarters in this rotten city is the greatest idea we ever have.
We will surely catch those damn ghosts this time.
There's someone here.
Damn, this is the greatest
Excuse me.
this is the greatest crossover I've ever seen.
Are you by any chance the Ghostbusters?
Well, yeah. Who are you supposed to be?
Is she one of them? Or is she possessed by one?
I'm not detecting any ectoplasmic
Dun, dun,
regions.
dun, dun.
I'm just an average ice fairy. That's all.
Ice fairy. Now that's something you don't see every day.
Right. Anyways, there's something I need to inquire.
Oh, I get it. You're here for the job.
Huh? That's not.
What?
Good. You're hired.
Welcome to the team, Rocky.
Wow, I guess Cirno's part of the Ghostbusters now.
What the fuck?
You will feel welcome here. So don't worry about it.
Now that you're part of the team, allow me to shed some light on the equipments we use here.
Okay, so just a heads up, I've never like seen or watched any of the anything like Ghostbusters related, so yeah.
This thing here is a containment device to trap ghosts.
I'm as much
We
in
call it the trap.
I'm about in the dark as much in the dark as like Cirno is when it comes to knowledge about these guys. The
You can
trap.
only trap one ghost at a time, so it's important that you carry more than one. Don't forget to transport the captured ghosts into the containment unit.
Now you wouldn't be explaining this shit to me if it wasn't like a gameplay mechanic or something.
Do you understand?
I think I got the gist of it.
Good enough.
Say, aren't humans usually afraid of ghosts?
Afraid. Buddy, we ain't afraid of no ghosts. Let's get a move on. We got some phantasmal ass to kick.
Phantasmal
You will
ass.
cover the east side of the city. You will cover here.
Sure.
Tonight's paycheck is going to be humongous. You said it, body.
And Cirno just rolls with it instead of explaining herself. Okay.
What the fuck just happened? Well, this was a bust. God, why did I get myself into? Okay, fuck this. I'm just gonna keep looking for Reimu.
Oh, there's ghosts.
The fuck is this? Oh. These must be the ghosts those fuckbags mentioned. Out of the way or I'll kick your fucking ass.
I sense a battle incoming.
Alright.
Coming up.
You punks asked for it.
Alright. Basic
Stand
ghost.
like a bitch.
They're ghosts, so they probably won't feel that. Okay.
What the hell? What is this shit?
Our turn. Ow! What the fuck?
Fuck. This. Can't be the end.
Damn, Cirno, you just got wrecked by three basic ass ghosts a few years ago.
What the fuck?
No, what is
What is
this?
this red mist? What the hell's going on here?
Oh, this has gotta be.
Who the fuck are you?
This has gotta be the Scarlet Mist incident when Cirno first met Reimu.
I don't have to answer an enragement fairy like you. Now move. Or I'll kick your fucking ass.
I like to see you try jackass. Don't you know? I am the fucking strongest.
I don't have time for this shit. Guess I'll just have to eat you up.
Well, bring it on, you bitch. I'll cryo-freeze you with some fucking English beef.
Oh, there's the line from the actual game. That's a pretty cool reference. But we all
Young warrior.
we all know how that battle went. Who the hell is that voice?
My head.
What?
Where am I? Ah, you are awake. Who the fuck are you? I am the Lady of the Lake. I guard the sacred lake behind the city. Dark times have come, young one. Danger has approached the city, and only the bravest individual can... Oh, shut the fuck up. Your exposition is way too fucking long, lady. Excuse me? You did not. Just interrupted my amazingly dramatic speech. Do you have any idea how long I have prepared that shit? No. And frankly, I don't give a fuck.
Well, damn, that's cold, Cirno. I mean, I get you're an ice fairy, but still.
Wow. Is this seriously the thanks I get for saving you last from those bastard ghosts? Wait. You saved me. Yeah, that's right. You would have been a goner if it weren't for little me. Oh. Wow. Thanks for the rescue, I guess. Now if you excuse me, I got a shrine maiden to look for. See ya around, lady. Hold it right there, Buster. You're not going anywhere just yet. Since I saved your life and all, you need to return the favor.
Okay.
You see, those damn ghosts have infested Gotham City like a damn cockroach.
Can see that.
And it's seriously fucking annoying. I need you to help wipe out those phantasmal bastards from the surface of the mortal realm. I don't care how, you'll do it. Just make them go the fuck away. Lady, give me one good reason why I should give a fuck. Cause frankly, I don't have time to deal with this bullshit. Like it or not, kid, you don't really have a choice in the matter. Cause whatever it is you're trying to do right now, those bastards aren't gonna make it easy for you.
Fine.
Ugh, this is gonna suck balls.
Whatever you say. Here we go.
Fine, I'll do it. That's what I like to hear. Oh, right, before you go.
What is it?
Hey, isn't that mine? Yeah, they actually dropped off my lake while I was carrying your wrath. So, whoops. Anyways, I'm giving them back. But first, we're gonna have to go through a mandatory procedure. Ahem. Kid,
What?
did you drop these extraordinary pieces of equipment?
Yes?
Wrong answer, kid.
No?
You're being honest. Here you go, kid.
Okay.
Odd. For some reason, my equipment feels a little bit more powerful.
Cirno's given better equipment.
Now that you're all set, get out there and make those phantoms wish. They never set foot in the city. Yeah, sure. Whatever you say, lady.
Alright, what do you mean by... Oh. Touhou's Frog B Headwear Alpha Plus Ultimate Clothing Plus Greater Shoes Plus. Alrighty then. Well,
Hurry along, kid. No time to waste.
okay.
Damn. She wasn't kidding about an infestation. When the fuck did all of this happen? Since you were out cold. What the fucking fuck?
What?
Relax, kid. It's just your friendly neighborhood lady at the lake. I'm speaking to you telepathically. For the adherence sake, lady, you scared the living hell out of me. Kid, there's something I need to tell you. Don't. Go after the ones in the other parts of the city. They're a little too tough for you to handle. Better stick with the ones in this area for now. Are we clear?
I guess.
Yeah. Good. That is all.
Chapter 3! Spiritual Infestation! Jeez, this is a weird start to this chapter, but okay. Let's go, I guess. Scroll records. It's a ghost! Well, it's not like it's the first time we've seen one. Okay, how much damage do I do to it? With just this. I can two-shot it. With that, I am the fucking strongest. What do we have here?
Guess I better put this ghost hunting gizmo to good use. Get over here.
Get over here! Bye. Alright. Guess we're gonna... I probably shouldn't have done that. I should stick to... I should probably stick
Get over
to
here.
using cold breeze. That only costs 10 and it can kill them in one move. So come here. What do I do if I like run out of
Get over here.
HP though? Is there like a way for me to heal? I sure hope so.
Get over here.
Get over here. Okay, nothing there. God, this is gonna be a fucking tedious ass process if I have to do this for for every area of the city. I am the fucking strongest. What do we have here?
Get over here.
Alright. I guess. Oh, that's right. There are
Get over here.
vending machines.
I guess this is the time where it'll be useful. I don't recognize any of these items, but these are all I could rely on in this strange world.
Oh, alright. Yeah, it makes sense that Cirno wouldn't recognize any of these. But give me some of those. That's really all I need right now. Get over here. Nice. They also drop shit. Wait, what do they drop? I didn't even check in the scroll. The scouter. It's plain looking ghost. Ghost. That's all it is, really. They drop X large pizzas and X large sodas. That's good. Drop some more of those, please. Ow. Thanks I can hit all of you. Chill out.
Get over here.
There's someone stuck like in the trees over here. Cirno can survive that. I believe in her. Yeah, she can. Definitely gonna have to heal though. Thanks for the X large pizza. Boom. Damn, he dodged like my my dash. You fucking bastards.
Get over here.
What are those things over in the house though? What do they do? I'm gonna save just in case. What is this?
What is that?
Is this the mental hospital?
Is one of the demon ghosts. One of the brains behind this little infestation. Don't try to engage it just yet.
Alright.
Deal with the lesser ones first. Alright.
I'm gonna listen. I don't wanna mess with that right now. It's best not to mess. Up. How many of you fuckers are here? Please, just...
Get over here.
Alright. Did I choose the wrong... Okay. I used the right move. Alright. I thought I guarded or something.
Get over here.
I was kind of afraid. Oh, this part seems to be like a more tedious version of... Oh, Extra Soda. Nice.
Get over here.
This part seems to be like a more tedious version of what you had to do in Act 2 of Final Fantasy Fuckboy 3. Because from the looks of it, you only have like, there aren't any encounters. There are only limited enemies.
Get over here.
Which means you only have a limited amount of tokens. So, theoretically, if you wasted enough of your resources, you could get, like, potentially, like, soft locked or something. I don't know.
Get over here.
I'm not the type of person to do those types of things, so... so I'm not even gonna, like, bother, but you know what? That's an interesting thought. Also, I'm about to die, holy shit. I'm not gonna risk it.
Get over here.
I don't risk things for the biscuit. Okay. Alright, we killed all of them. The rock demon ghost
Now
awakens.
look at you go, you little ghost hunting machine. You clear all of those little rascals like fucking clockwork. Now, head on over to that building, the one with the flames between the doors. You know what to do.
What?
This power is this the effect of the blessings from that celestial?
Ooh. Alright. So it might have like cut out in the in the video. It might have cut out, but don't worry, you didn't miss anything. You were like that was like like my sister came, so I like took the phone for a while. So you know what? That's fine. Because I was just mindlessly killing ghosts anyways. So let's go. Heal up first. Alright, time to face this thing.
Engage the demon ghost motherfucker.
Nice Persona music. It's gonna be tough with just Cirno though. The demon ghost goes with rock attributes. Something tells me that you shouldn't let it hit you so often. Just a hunch. Wait, does it immune to anything? Good English. Good English, Aaron. Blinding blizzard it is then. Nice. And shield yourself. Ah! Frozen fear. I just love the smell of fear. Isn't that right, Miming? Oh, nice, he's frozen. Okay. Ice side, icicle fall, I guess. Please hit. Please hit. God damn it, I only hit once. And he's no longer in fear. Well, I could like intentionally make him drop by HP below 50% so that I can use Rasengan. That'd be pretty. That would that'd be a pretty good play, I think. Come on, hit me. I could just stun lock him using this, since he's not immune to freeze or anything. Like he's getting there. Okay, I'm below 50%, definitely, so... I'm gonna... Blinding Blizzard. And Frozen Fear you. And putting up my shield. And I'm giving myself an XR soda. You took no... I mean, I took no damage from that. How does that feel? Shield myself again. Because that stacks. Rasengan! Alright. I just love the smell of fear! Get blinded. Oh no, that's not good. My skills are sealed. Thankfully, he's still, he's still in fear, so that's good. Blind him. Rasengan. Just love the smell of fear. Freeze him. Uh-oh. Blinding Blizzard. Yeah, I knew that he wouldn't be blinded anymore. Rasengan. The cat is on the table. That's not good. Please, freeze. Okay, he's frozen. That's good. Icicle, icicle. Uh-oh. Better extra pizza. Oh god, okay, I'm dead. Wow. That's like the first game over I've gotten since like the beginning of the series. What the hell? No matter where you are, I will cheer you on. Keep fighting and get good. Wait a second, there are get good screens for every like episode. I didn't know that. Wait a second, it's kind of good that I died then. I thought there was only one. Wait a second. I'm gonna need to check that out.
Engage the demon ghost motherfucker.
I'm gonna have to check out the episode 2 game over screen, the get good screen. That because I didn't know that existed. Eat shit. Okay. Come on. Uh-oh. So apparently he has a chance to fucking get rid of all my, like, seal my skills if he hits me with one of his moves, so that's not good. Oh. Does he have fear? He doesn't. Let's go. He's probably, the blind is probably gonna run out soon. Use that. Cold breeze. Actually, perfect freeze! That didn't freeze him, fuck. And he's no longer in fear. Well, shit. I only have one birthday present left. I'm gonna... Actually, you know what? I'm gonna shoot him. I can graze, and he'll probably miss a whole lot, because graze also it reduces damage, but it, you know, makes you dodge attacks like that. It gives you a higher chance to dodge. Blinding Blizzard. Thank goodness he didn't kill me. He didn't seal my skills again. Rasengan. I just love this. I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna pop this just in case. I love the smell of fear. Ice sign, icicle fall. Come on. It's gotta hit twice. I just know it. Yeah, and see? What did I tell you? I am the fucking strongest. What do we have here? Goodbye.
I fucking didn't drink my eyes.
And I forgot that's her line after she wins. Got puzzle piece A.
Did you fuck it up? I did. Great. Now, return to the lake. I have a little surprise to show you. Surprise?
Surprise? See, I said it at the same time again.
Yeah. Don't ask what it is, kid. I wouldn't want to spoil it now. We died.
Cirno's stats are increased again. She's gonna be so strong. Tenshi's blessing gets stronger. Well, damn. Alright, let's go back to the lake. And, where is the lake? It's up here, right? Yeah. We're gonna talk to the lady of the lake and then we're gonna end the episode.
Alright, I'm here. Now, what is this surprise you want to show me? This. Hey.
What?
What the fuck?
I have a sneaking suspicion of what it is in my head, but I'm not sure.
Man, that was a blast. Now what should I play next?
Oh, look at these Cirno flashbacks.
What's going on over there? Hey, fucker. Just because you're new around here doesn't mean we don't get to pick on ya. Yeah, you tell them. Well said, boss. Seriously, fuck off. You're starting to irritate me. Oh, you're playing the tough girl now, eh?
Oh. Well, that's not nice.
Fine. Have at you. Hey, jackass. Pick on someone your own size. What? Who is this bitch? Out of the way. Or else. Oh shit. It's her. What about her? That's... Cirno. Boss. We better make a break for it before she fuck us up. Fuck us up? This piece of shit? Don't underestimate this son of a bitch. She may be weak, but she is able to win against us fairies for whatever reason. Oh shit. Seriously? Yeah. Fine. Let's book it. Just remember this, newbie. We ain't done with you yet. Good fucking grief. Finally some peace. Sorry about that. Those fairies are retards. I noticed. You're new around here, right?
So this is where, when they first met, huh?
Name's Cirno. And welcome to Gensokyo. What's yours? I don't know. Actually, I don't even know if I have a name or not. Oh.
Wow.
Then, can I call you Gyoshoku?
That you say?
Gyoshoku? Yeah. You know, that name actually has a nice ring to it. Very well. You can call me Gyoshoku.
That you say.
Nice meeting ya. I get a feeling that you and I are gonna be the best of friends.
In fanon, you guys are.
Huh. I guess.
I'm not entirely sure what your relationship is in this, like, TNGAU universe, but you know what?
That was the first time I met Gyoshoku. What the hell is going on here?
What is going on is that you've just went through one of your happy memories.
Come again?
Yeah, come again?
You see, by using my amazingly superior magical powers, I have made you experience your most fondest memory. By experiencing them, you get to learn a new skill. Pretty fucking neat, eh?
How the hell does that work? I'm not gonna question that.
How the fuck does that work?
Again, I'm... Oh god, I became a kettle. Alright. Carry on.
Don't question the kid. Just roll with it. That's what I do. Now, before you continue engaging those bastard ghosts and their diabolical leaders, I need you to, accidentally, drop your equipment into my lake again.
Oh, accidentally drop my equipment. Okay.
Why?
So that I can use my amazingly superior magic powers to enhance them and give you a boost in power. Duh. Those damn ghosts are not getting easier by the minute, you know. Now hurry up and drop him.
Cirno's given better equipment again.
Alright, you're all set again.
Lady, just out of curiosity, what exactly is your power?
Ever heard of the honest horse cutter?
A bit?
That's all you need to know. Now hurry along.
Okay.
Those bastards aren't gonna catch themselves.
I sort of get it. So, what is the new skill? This freeze ray. Cirno fires a freeze ray that damages all enemies, decreases speed for 4 turns. Cirno creates a spiky ice floor, damages a random target, and inflicts freeze and bleed. And the freeze sign, cold divinity. Cirno produces ice gauntlets, increases attack, and normal attacks can inflict freeze. Lasts 3 turns. That's like 3 new like abilities that I got. That's pretty cool. 3 new skills. So alright. I guess we'll go ghost busting in Cotton City next time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, do the usual things. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff. And until then, I'll see you later. Bye.